Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a map into your Weebly website page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to add a map or a Google map into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, sometimes your clients are going to look for your website to find the directions to your location or to your office. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly website editor, and this is the home. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a map, first you need to choose the page that you're going to add it to. So here on the top left, I'm going to click on that drop-down menu and choose which page you want to add it to. Generally, it's going to be on your Contact Us. Okay, to do that, you're going to see all of the different sections in that particular page. And then at the bottom, in order to add a map, you're going to click on Add Section. Right? Once you click on Add Section, you're going to see all these different options, but you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Location and Hours. Right? Once you do that, you're going to see these two options. So these are two different layouts. So you can have the map on the top with some words and hours below it, or you can choose this one where the map is on the left and then the hours are on the right. Personally, I kind of like this one. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to click over here into the section and just click on the map. Once you click on the map, you're going to see this menu on the left, and then you can go ahead and click right here. By default, it's going to be the square head office, but you can go ahead and just click in there and just type in the new address. Once you start typing in the address, it's going to pop up, and just click on your address and you'll see the map start to update. Now, if you scroll down a little bit further, you can go ahead and adjust the map size. So this is zoomed in, looks like, I don't know, maybe a 10 block radius. And if you want to zoom out, you just scroll this over. Okay, now you can see that it covers the entire state, or you can go ahead and zoom it in even more. All right, once you've done that, go ahead and click down here into the words, and then you can go ahead and update the address and the hours over here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a map into your Weebly website page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.